Right, we're going to look at using the sine rule to find sides. We found this formula A over sine A, B over sine B, C over sine C. When doing it, we must make sure that our triangle is labelled properly, so that the A is opposite the capital A, the little b is opposite the capital B, and the little c is opposite the capital C. So when finding the length of side X, the first thing we must do is label our triangle. And it doesn't matter how you label it, so I'm going to label this side A. Therefore that will be little a because it's opposite. And I'm going to label this side B, and I'm going to label this side little b. And you could label these C, but we're not going to need them in our question. And the key thing to using the sine rule is to have opposite pairs. If you do not have an opposite pair, you will not be able to use the sine rule. So that means you have the angle and its opposite side. So what we're going to do is we've now identified that, so we're going to write out the bit of the formula we need. So we're going to write out A over sine A equals B over sine B. And then we put our numbers in. So A is 4, sine A is sine 120, equals B, which is X, over sine B, which is sine 35. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to work out what this is on the calculator. So 4 divided by sine of 120. And that comes out as 4.6188 and so on. And sine of 135. So let's do that. Sine of 35. Press that and we get 0.5735 and so on. So therefore x will equal 0.573, all of that, times by 4.6188, and use all the figures. So we're going to take that answer and we're going to times it by 4.61. We don't really need to go this far, but it's a good habit to use the whole number so you don't get any chance of any rounding errors. So we get 2.649 centimeters. Let's round that to one decimal place. So that's 2.6 centimeters to 1 dp.